What's that noise? Show yourself! Pew, pew, pew. Come out wherever you are. Pew, 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 pew. Pew. Where are you? Show yourself. It's in the bag somewhere. Oh, hello. You look very cute. How did you get in here? Must be lost. Oh my god, how did you turn that big? Wonder what we're gonna do today. I don't know. Look, it's a little baby bird. Did you not learn what happened from last time? One of the villains kidnapped a baby bird and made a powerful villain. I don't think villain's gonna come after this one. Hello there, what's your name? You don't have a name? I'll name you Reykjavik. Wow. Hate to say it, but that's actually a good name. What brings you here? Oh my god, it's a fusion bird. Stan Ego, are you okay? I'm here to warn you guys about this bird that could turn... Oh, beep! You've seen it as well? Yes, I was going to get something out the garage and then I found who I thought was just a cute innocent bird, but it turns out it's a fusion bird. Now let's destroy you. Oh crud. Stan Ego! Right, leave my friend alone. How's it still alive? Now let's finish all this scumbags off. Hey Reykjavik!
Huh? How did you survive?
I escaped.